It says
I see
8
smoke.
point... Huh?
I just saw smoke come from the negative terminal.
Oh yeah.
It is smoking.
It's a little bit of smoke. Interesting. Lockthor JP400, the world's most compact jump starter with air compressor. We have a giant truck that constantly dies on us because we don't know how to take care of vehicles, apparently. The only problem is that it starts fully right now, so we have to kill the battery somehow. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn the car, or the truck, onto accessory power only. We're gonna play the radio. We're gonna turn all of these lights on and kill the battery. We're gonna play some music here shortly and just wait for it to die. All right, it's playing music. I do have a subwoofer in there, so hopefully that does kill it faster. And we'll see if that little thing can turn it on. So I've had it running for 2 whole hours now. I don't think radio works anymore. Yeah. Here's hoping it doesn't start. Yeah!
I've never heard someone be excited for their car not starting.
Yeah, because now we can test to see if this jump starter actually works. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start this battery using this battery. It's a pretty small battery, so I'm concerned as to like how good it's actually gonna do at starting the truck. It's a 2016 Silverado. It's a, I mean, not a big beefy truck, but like it's a relatively big size truck. Setup on this is fairly straightforward. You open up this 12 volt cover thing. You can't really mess these up. They're in a way that like they won't fit backwards. So you can go ahead and plug that in right there. I have had this charging for the last 2 hours, so it should be fine. And the cool thing about this is that it actually has a smart sensor. If it sees that the terminals are backwards, it won't let you start it. It'll actually warn you that it's backwards. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in and start the truck. So I got ground. I got my 12 volts. Let's turn this on. Now it's counting down. Oh.
I heard a click.
I felt a click. It
I
says
see
8
smoke.
point... Huh?
I just saw smoke come from the negative terminal.
Oh yeah.
It is smoking.
It's a little bit of smoke. Interesting. All right, let's disconnect this and see what's going on. The cables did get pretty warm too. Interesting. Let's take a look at the instruction manual before we continue. Okay, so we were correct. I don't know what that smoking was about, but I looked at the instructions. It's exactly how it should be. So let's connect this again and give her a good old try. Okay, I got the ground connected. I got that connected. Ready?
Ready.
Turn it on. It's gonna do a countdown. At this point, it's checking to make sure that the polarity is good. And it's showing 9.8 volts.
So we should be able to start the truck now.
Yeah, should I go start it?
Yep, let's see if it works. Hey!
Well, dang.
That little thing packs a powerful punch.
It sure does. Honestly, this thing is worth it. I'm gonna keep this baggie with me. I'm gonna keep it in the frunk so that it's easy to get to. Just gonna throw that in there. So I'm just gonna plug this in. Let me see that it's charging. I'm gonna keep that in the center console right there. And it's there when I need it. I highly recommend this product. It does what it says it does. It jump start if you need a jump start. Truck's still running, still burning gas. Peace.